In this video I will tell you that how to enable spatial audio on PC. So we will open up the settings here. You will type settings, open up the settings app, then go to the systems app here, and then go to sounds option here, and then tap on the sound control panel, and then you just have to select your playback device. So in my case my device is this. I am using the headphones, so I will right click on it, and then I will click on the properties here, and these are different kind of tabs you can see, and there is the last tab which is the spatial sound. So spatial sound is basically a 3D sound effect. So as you can see that right now it is turned off, and when I tap on this drop down menu here, it says that Windows Sonic for headphones. I will tap on this one, and then I will tap on apply, and then I will tap on OK, and then again OK. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.